A very good afternoon here from the airport of Amsterdam. I'm here to fly with KLM on their Boeing 777-200 to Toronto. KLM has just opened their brand new lounge here at Amsterdam, so let's go find out how that one is. It's beautiful. Let's go. Schiphol has been my home airport for most of my life, until I moved abroad, and I have many fond memories of holidays starting here. Today, however, we are returning to my current home, Canada, with KLM. The Royal Dutch Airline is also based here in Amsterdam. There's a lot to do here at the airport, including shopping. Besides the regular duty-free shops, where liquor and perfumes are sold, Schiphol offers electronics, toys, and even flowers. If you don't feel like spending money though, there's also plenty to see. Schiphol is great for plane spotting, and there's a lot of art to see too, like this clock artwork, or you can pay a visit to the Rijksmuseum, free of charge. KLM has opened the first half of their brand new lounge in December last year. The old part of the lounge was still open during the renovations, but with limited capacity. The lounge has 2 floors, and downstairs is mainly for seating, and there's a great open space to relax or work at. Of course, there's food and drinks available for free. Upstairs, you can find the Blue Bar, and here you can get regular soft drinks, beers and wines complimentary, or you can get more premium drinks for purchase. And on the other side, you can find the Blue Restaurant, where you can dine a la carte. The food here is not complimentary, and you can find their current price list right here. Well, that was a quick visit to the brand new KLM Lounge. It's beautiful, it's absolutely phenomenal. It's only the first half, and the second half is yet to open this summer. So I can't wait to return to this lounge later on this year. But for now, let's head to the gate and then on to Toronto. It was time to head to the gate as boarding was going to start soon. But it's so hard to walk past all the gates here without gazing at aircraft. Schiphol is just such a great place to watch planes.
Passport details. Goeiedag meneer, welkom.
Dank u wel.
Kijk eens, hele goede reis.
Fijne dag. After a little bit of a chaotic boarding process, it was time to get on board this Boeing 777. The KLM 777-200 fleet has been retrofitted with new full flat diamond seats back in 2015, but we'll have a closer look at the seat and the interior just after takeoff. After getting comfortable, a welcome drink is provided. and with about a 20-minute delay, the aircraft is finally being pushed back. This Boeing 777-200ER was added to the KLM fleet in 2006 and, like all 777s, named after World Heritage Sites. This 777 is named after, and I hope I pronounce it right, Litomyšl Castle, a castle in Czech Republic. The KLM 777-200 features a 3-class configuration with a total of 316 seats. The economy class cabin has a total of 242 seats in a 3-4-3 configuration. Then in front of that, there are 40 seats in economy comfort. The seats are identical to coach, but have an extra 4 inches or 10 centimeters legroom. And World Business Class has a total of 34 flatbed seats. Before departure, the menu and wine menu are handed out. You can find pictures of these on my Instagram account. The crew takes orders for supper and serves a small platter of Gouda cheese. There's no better way to pair this than with a glass of Pinot Noir. As a starter, I chose the pasta shells with shrimp and salmon mousse filling. That came with a small salad and a bread roll, paired with a glass of Chardonnay. For the main course, I had the goat cheese ravioli. And lastly, for dessert, I had a cheese platter with another glass of red. KLM also has their own signature cocktail named the Flying Dutchman, which I had to try, and it tastes really good. Now let's have a look at our seat. The seat offers a 16-inch in-flight entertainment display with touchscreen. We'll have a closer look at that later on in the video. There's a small storage compartment under the screen and an ottoman. The tray table can be found in the armrest and is pretty sturdy. Unfortunately, you can't leave your seat without putting the tray table away. On the other side, you can find the adjustable armrest. Right next to the seat, you can find a small reading light with easy access when the seat is fully flat. Here is also where you can find the power outlet, USB port, and the port for your headphones, and some more storage space. The seat controls can be found in the armrest and allow you to get truly comfortable. For added privacy, there's this privacy screen. The remote for the in-flight entertainment system can be found in the armrest. The same houses that were visible outside the new KLM Lounge can also be seen painted on the walls in the lavatory, and I really like that detail. Also, the fake orange tulip adds some more Dutch heritage. The toiletries are provided by Rituals and include hair gel, hand and body lotion, body mist and hand soap. At any time during the flight, you can get a snack, including Dutch stroopwafels, in the pantry. Of course, an amenity kit is included on the flight as well, and I really like the design of the bag. The contents include socks, toothbrush and toothpaste, and face moisture and lip balm, both also by Rituals. An hour and a half before landing, a light meal is served, for which I chose the pulled beef burger and an amazing chocolate tart. For the in-flight entertainment system, a pair of noise-cancelling headphones is provided. They're nothing spectacular, but they are comfortable. The remote control features a small touchscreen and can display information independently of the big screen. There are plenty of recent movies, including some Bollywood movies that I like to watch on planes. Of course, the moving map can be shown on both the remote as well as the big screen. Besides movies, you can also watch series. I watched a really funny episode of Family Guy. For kids, there's a special section with child-friendly movies and shows. And if you or the kids get bored watching movies, there are even some games to play. And the most important part of any KLM flight in business class is of course getting your own KLM house. If you want to know which one I chose, this too will be shown on my Instagram account. Stay watching for my final thoughts on this flight right after landing. Now I might be a bit biased, since Schiphol is my home country's airport and KLM my home country's airline, but I really like them. Schiphol has really been improving over the last couple of years, and with the renovation of the KLM Lounge, that is no exception. The lounge has changed from just a place to sit with free food and drinks to a complete experience. I cannot wait for the grand opening this summer. Though it's not the reverse herringbone like I had on the Air France Boeing 777, the seat is really comfortable. My only problem with the seat is that it simply did not have enough storage space. The service on the flight was impeccable. The crew were so nice and helped me out with recording this trip report. Also, they really took time for a chat. The food in business class is amazing. It's not just the flavors, but also the presentation of the food. Overall, it was a really good flight, and yes, I absolutely would love to try this again. And that wraps up our video for today. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoy videos just like this one, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.